UHP is an elite transition organization for veterans that once they take the uniform off, they can step into their true identity.
When I found UHP, it honestly felt like an answer to my prayers.
The most common question we get is how do you go from storming to performing quicker? And the answer is right here at UHP.
I want the brand to be that this is the place where veterans come to find their future and to thrive.